Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Charles Schwab trading account. First, visit the Charles Schwab website or use their mobile app to begin the application. You'll need to provide some basic personal information, including your social security number and contact details. Be prepared to answer questions about your employment and financial situation. This initial step is quick and sets the foundation for your new investment journey. Next, you'll select the type of account that best suits your needs. Charles Schwab offers various options, such as individual brokerage accounts, joint accounts, and different retirement accounts like Roth IRAs or traditional IRAs. Think about your investment goals and tax situation when making this important decision. Each account type has specific benefits, so choose wisely for your financial future. Once your account type is selected, it's time to fund it. You can easily link your bank account for electronic transfers, which is often the quickest method. Other options include mailing a check or initiating a wire transfer. If you're transferring an existing account from another brokerage, Charles Schwab can help facilitate that process. Funding typically takes a few business days to complete. Finally, review all the information you've provided and electronically sign the necessary documents. Charles Schwab will then process your application, and approval typically takes 1 to 2 business days. Once approved and funded, you can explore their trading platforms and begin investing. You'll have access to a wide range of investment products and tools to help you reach your financial goals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.